Hello everyone, this is Tejas Poleka here, back again with a new video, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of the Mi Band 3, and I know I'm quite late in making this video. So anyways, you're watching TP Tech, so without wasting any more time, let us just get started. But first let me roll in my intro. So I got this from Flipkart for 1999, and the Best Buy link is given in the description of this video. So this is how it was shipped to me. So I'll unbox it. So in the box we get some instruction manuals and some paperwork for us so that we can ignore it. And then the Mi Band itself with the band and a charger to charge the band. So I'll just set it up. The band is now ready. So overall I found the quality of the rubber strap is little average, but overall the smart band is quite reliable and feels durable. So this is not a review, just an unboxing. So if you want a full comprehensive review, then do comment down below. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So stay tuned, stay happy, see you soon. So now it's time to roll out the outro.